Good things are coming. Hi everybody, Carolyn Braden here, and I want to tell you about some of the crafts that I have coming up this summer. If you don't know my background, I actually have my master's degree in art education, and I taught children and adults for over 10 years in a classroom setting, and now I get to teach people full-time on my website and socials, and I love every single minute of it. So my sprinkle sunglasses, say it 3 times fast. My sprinkle sunglasses craft actually did pretty well on my Pinterest channel, and I just made it with a bunch of things that I found on Temu. Temu is my go-to one-stop shop for a lot of my craft supplies. When you buy things in bulk on Temu, like I do for a lot of my sunglasses, you can save a lot of money. So I bought a lot of headbands in bulk on Temu. That way I can make more fascinators like this one. I love how this turned out. It's pretty fabulous. I bought this claw clip on Temu and blinged it up, and it performed pretty well on my socials. I bought all these duckbill clips on Temu too and bedazzled them with little polymer clay slices that I bought on Temu too. Here's my Mermaid Life sunglasses that did pretty well as a tutorial on my socials, and my mermaid claw clips are doing good too. So my ultimate goal is to have a bigger studio where I can create and other people can come create with me. But for now, I'm just in my little space at home. And now I want to show you all of the fun things that I got on Temu and what I'm going to do with them this summer. So I bought this nice little pack of blue dried flowers. It's really nice. And I bought this packs of combs, and I'm going to attach these flowers to one of these combs and maybe do some hairstyles with them. I thought it would make a nice bridal video to wear something blue in your hair as a bride. Since I love doing hair tutorials, I love making things that go in people's hairs, and I found this really nice flower claw clip on Temu, and I've seen some women wearing these in their hair, just smaller versions of them. This one's a little bit larger, so it'll make a really nice hair tutorial. And I got all of these crystals in different colors since I never really know exactly what I'm going to do design-wise when I first start a project. So I just buy things if they're real pretty and sparkly, and as I put them together, I figure out the final results as I go. Since I have a lot of pets and get my hands dirty a lot of times, I always need wipes, and so I found this really nice little travel size wipe container for baby wipes on Temu. And of course I can't just let it be plain like this, I need to bling it up. So I'm going to use some crystals to bling it up, and I also found this pack of resin flowers, so those may go on it. I was thinking maybe doing crystals around it and maybe an initial, but the flowers may either make it onto this wipe container, or maybe these will go on some sunglasses. For the 4th of July, I'll probably be doing some sunglasses or maybe some hair clips or something, and I found all these really cool 4th of July themes sprinkled in a pack of some pearls and rhinestones, and I can't wait to use this pack of pink and purple. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them yet, but I like them, anything sparkly. And then I oftentimes will buy these little trays to store the different rhinestones in, so they're easier to grab. I found this designer inspired ribbon, and I think I'm going to make some shoe clips or maybe some hair bows or something out of it. I know sometimes I just buy things and I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I figure it out eventually. Since I oftentimes use Temu to save money, I know that the mouse ears at Disney World and Disneyland are quite expensive, so I'm going to figure out how to bedazzle these. And I know Daisy Duck, which I got this pin on Temu, is going to be the inspiration for this. I also get some of my photography supplies from Temu. I really like this phone holder, this stand, this tripod mount. It's great for filming some of my craft tutorials. Here's my studio mate, Johnny Cash. He's very supportive in all the crafts that I make. And if you want to see us in some of our videos of some of our upcoming projects, just follow our channel and you'll see all of our cool things that we're doing. So if you want to see some of our ideas come to life, follow our channel. Say right? Click subscribe and follow me, says Johnny Cash. Indeed. I love you, buddy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I love you. You're a great trooper. Thank you so much for doing my videos with me. You're an amazing subject matter. You're so good. Mwah. We love Johnny Cash. He's our cuddle bug. Hi, cuddle bug. Hi, cuddle bug.